Hi everyone, Kirk here with Kirk's Motorrad Shop, bringing you a very quick tutorial on how to remove or how to take apart your mirror on a K1200LT. Now this is a replacement mirror that came from China, but the mirror itself is all the same. And why would you want to take that apart? Well, sometimes the if the glass goes, or if you want to try to figure out how to tighten this up a little bit, or what I'm doing today is painting these to match the bike. So I want to remove this instead of having to tape all this area off, and it would be just kind of a pain. So the BMW mirror is the exact same thing. It's got the same mechanism in it. Everything really is the same. So it's going to be the same deal if you have the BMW mirrors. What you need to do in order to take this apart is you got to take the mirror off. Now, you might be tempted to get something underneath there and just pry away. Don't do that. Don't do that. You'll break it. It will pop out the ball mechanism in there, and you're not going to be able to get it back together again. So what you do is you take a heat gun and you heat up the mirror just around the outside edge, because the inside edge is going to look just like that. So we're going to heat this thing up, and then I'll just give it a little pry, and it will pry off. Use some non-marring tools if you have them. Don't use a screwdriver because you might scratch the backside of the mirror when you're pulling this off. That should be good. Now just get up under one corner with your pry tool, and then you should be able to just pull it and it will pop the mirror off. There we go. And try not to touch the adhesive on the back, because you're going to use that again later when we put the thing back together again. So try to keep your fingers off of it. So in order to get this part out, you need to just remove these 3 screws. Now on the BMW mirror, these screws are not Phillips head. They're I think they're a Torx bit. They're like really small too. They're like maybe a T8 or something, or maybe a T10. I'm not really sure. I can't remember. But you can get them apart. It's the same exact mechanism again, so don't worry about that. It's not going to look any different. Alright, get that loosened up and just lift the whole mirror backing out of there. Set that aside. Now inside here you've got 3 screws. You're only going to worry about 2 of them. You only need to pull out these 2 screws and then this screw right here. Okay, and then you just lift this thing off, and it'll just come away. Now you can paint the frame whatever color you want. Match it up to your bike. If you like these type of videos, check out some of my other videos. I got a lot of videos on how to work on the LT, and as well as other motorcycles. If you'd like to support the work that I do, please check the description down below, and you'll see ways in which you can do that through Patreon or PayPal, or by purchasing my poster, that kind of thing. Also, my Amazon page is on there as well. So anyway, that was just a quick one. Guys, I will see you on the next one.